Hey everyone, and welcome to yoga practice. Thank you so much for joining me today here for this quite stormy day, rainy, cloudy, really kind of grim outside. Yet since yoga can become such an inside job for us, we can maybe just let the sun shine from within, from our hearts, and we'll practice a few asana together now, and I invite us to stand up to begin, coming to the front of our mat, just placing the feet parallel, about hip width apart, and just rocking slightly from back to front, establishing a firm grip through the toes, establishing the weight through the front of the feet, knees slightly bent, hips level, belly slightly tucked in, chest erect, shoulders can roll back. Few breaths here, breathing in, breathing from above into the chest, belly, and then the out breath comes from below, so belly comes up and in. And then again we can inhale from above and exhale from below, slightly pushing the air out. One more time, inhale and exhale. Good, breathing through the throat, creating a little sound here in our throat area, narrowing the vocal cords, establishing Ujjayi breath. Hearing our own breath, breathing a bit like the distant ocean. Good, and now let's move the arms on inhalation. The arms circle up, shoulders back, little back arch touching the palms. Exhale, the hands come down again. And again, on inhale, circling up, breathing through the throat, receiving the in-breath, and exhale, maybe helping with the belly. Belly tucks in and up on exhalation. Inhale, arms circle up again. Good, and exhale, arms down. Let's do this one more time. Inhale, arms circle up. And exhale into a forward fold. So wherever we come, we can wait for the inhale and then come up again. Continuing breathing through the throat, Ujjayi breath, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, coming up. And exhale, forward fold. And inhale, coming up. Wonderful. Next exhalation, forward fold, and we can stay here. Maybe you want to connect to your legs, to the feet, to the floor. Just maybe lifting the chest slightly on inhalation. And on exhalation, curling the belly in and deepening the forward fold. Let's do this a few times together. Inhalation, chest lifts, chin can be tucked in. Good. Exhale, deepening the forward fold. Inhale, chest. Exhale, belly. Hearing your breath, strong exhale. Inhale, chest. Exhale, belly. Let's do two more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Very good. Inhale, we can circle up all the way again. Palms touch over the head. I see the hands. Exhale, hands come down to the heart center, and we can rest here for a moment. Good. Then let us set up for warrior one position. So coming with one foot back 45 degrees in the back foot, a bit of distance in between the feet. The weight comes through the front of the feet, and then inhalation circling up. Exhalation, forward fold. Ujjayi breath, inhale. Palms touch, exhale, forward fold. A few times, inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. One more time, inhale. Good, and exhalation coming down, forward fold. On retention, I can step the back foot forward, coming into the forward fold, staying here, inhaling, and staying here on the exhalation as well, deepening. On inhalation, I can circle up, coming all the way up. Palms touch, exhale, hands to heart. Very nice, resting here for a moment. Good, and setting up for the second side, so the other foot strides back, setting up 45 degrees, a bit of a gap between the feet, weight through the front of the feet, and then inhalation, circling up, palms touch, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, circling up. And exhale, forward fold. Let's do this 2 more times together. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale down. Staying down on retention, back foot coming forward into this half forward fold, staying the inhalation and exhalation, staying, deepening the forward fold. On inhale, coming up all the way. Palms touch overhead. Exhale, hands to the heart center. Resting. Good, and then inhaling, coming up, circling up with the hands, palms touch, exhale, forward fold, and from here walking into a downward facing dog. So just the feet back, stretching through the arms, inhale, knees down, arching in the lower back, letting the belly drop, looking upwards, this is cow position, and then exhale into child's position, just sitting back. Good. Ujjayi breath, inhale, breathing through the throat, coming up into cow pose, arching the lower back, looking up. Exhale, downward facing, tucking the toes under and pushing back. Hearing your own breath, inhale, knees down and arching the lower back. And then exhale, coming back into child's pose. Easy flow, inhale, coming into cow pose. Whole spine moves here. Exhale, downward facing. Inhale, knees down again. Exhale, child's position. Inhale, cow position. Good, exhale, downward facing. One more round, inhale, knees down. Exhale, back child's pose. Inhale, up cow pose. And exhale, downward facing. And let's try to stay here. We can really put the inside of the palms down, fingers spread wide, setting up our dog, pushing through the hands, shoulders away from the ears, pushing into the feet, pushing into the heels. Knees slightly bent. Breathing. Breathing into the chest. And on exhale, maybe I can engage the belly again here, scooping the belly on exhalation. Inhaling into the chest. Exhale, belly engages. 2 more rounds. Breathing. Good, inhaling. And exhaling. Next inhalation, coming down onto the knees, just arching the lower back, countering, and exhaling into child's pose. Short moment of rest here. Okay, bringing ourselves up and over. So now we want to come into a supine position. So on our back, feet standing. And just one more set of asana here, holding the knees, one hand per one knee. Then we can come into a shoulder bridge. So inhaling, feet to the ground and lifting the hips up. Chin tucked in, neck long, arms overhead. Few times like so. Exhaling, rolling back and holding the knees again. Bringing the knees close into the chest, belly rolls in and up. Inhale, feet down, lifting the hips, shoulder bridge. Breathing through the throat. Exhale, coming down. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, down again. And inhale, coming up. Good. Exhale, down. And next inhalation, we come up and we can stay up. Continuing breathing here on exhalation, maybe using the belly, using the strength through the feet. Inhale, trying the chest to lift. Good. Exhale, belly. Inhale, chest. 2 more rounds. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Good. Next exhalation, we can roll down to holding the knees. Resting here for a moment. And this pose, APANASANA, is really recommended for everyday use, really good for the lower back, really restorative. Very good for the lymphatic system. Breathing here. Alright, and then we've come to the end of the practice, and to integrate we will come into Shavasana. So find a resting position, just stretching the legs out, feet fall outwards, arms outstretched, palms ideally face upwards if your shoulders are flat on the ground, adjusting the head and just coming to final resting. We take 2 minutes here together, and this is our chance to say goodbye and farewell. So all the best for this day, and may the weather of course change to sunny or be sunny quite so often, at least in the inside world. So yeah, maybe see you in one of the next practices, and I wish you all the best.